We all love a little sweetness in our lives, right? A dash of sugar in our tea, a slice of cake at a birthday party. It's all part of the fun. But what happens when that little dash turns into a mountain? When sugar sneaks into our everyday foods, hiding in sauces, bread, and even things we think are healthy, it becomes a big problem. Our bodies weren't designed to handle the massive amounts of sugar we eat today. It's like overloading your car with too much fuel. Eventually things start to break down. That's why more and more people are saying enough is enough and ditching sugar for good. Cutting out sugar isn't just a fad diet. It's about taking back control of your health. It's about feeling your best, having more energy, and ditching those pesky cravings that leave you feeling sluggish and down. So, if you're ready to kick the sugar habit to the curb, let's get started. Giving up sugar is a bit like saying goodbye to an old friend. It can be tough at first. Your body, used to getting its quick fix of energy from sugar, might throw a bit of a tantrum. Think of it like a grumpy toddler who's missed their nap time. You might experience some withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, or even mood swings. Don't worry, it's totally normal. It just means your body is adjusting to running on real whole foods instead of that sugary fuel it's used to. The good news is, these symptoms are usually temporary and will fade away as your body resets itself. In the meantime, be kind to yourself, drink plenty of water, and remember why you started this journey in the first place: to feel amazing. When you ditch sugar, you're also saying goodbye to some of the essential nutrients found in naturally sweet foods like fruit. That's why it's crucial to give your body a helping hand during this detox period with some superpowered supplements. Think of supplements as your trusty sidekicks in the fight against sugar cravings. They provide your body with the building blocks it needs to thrive, even without its usual sugar rush. A good quality multivitamin can help bridge any nutritional gaps, while magnesium can work wonders for boosting your mood and fighting fatigue. And don't forget about probiotics. These friendly bacteria keep your gut healthy and happy, which is super important for overall well-being. Healthy alternatives for your sugar cravings. One of the biggest challenges when quitting sugar is finding ways to satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your progress. But fear not. Delicious and healthy alternatives are here to save the day. Nature has gifted us with a bounty of naturally sweet treats that can satisfy your cravings without the sugar crash. Think juicy berries bursting with flavor, creamy avocados, and naturally sweet spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with sugar-free baking using ingredients like almond flour, coconut flour, and natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol. Remember, a little sweetness goes a long way. You might be surprised at how quickly your taste buds adapt to these healthier alternatives. 30 Days to Freedom, a day-by-day guide to conquering your sugar addiction. Let's break down this sugar-free journey into manageable chunks, shall we? Here's a sneak peek into what you can expect each day as you embark on your 30-day sugar detox. Days 1 to 3, the initial shock. You might experience some intense cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Power through with plenty of water, herbal teas, and healthy snacks. Days 4 to 7, energy dips and mood swings. Your body is adjusting to a new fuel source. Keep your energy levels up with protein-rich meals and snacks. Days 8 to 14, mental clarity and improved sleep. You'll start to notice a boost in your mood and focus. Sleep should also improve as your body gets used to a sugar-free routine. Days 15 to 21, cravings subside and taste buds change. You'll find yourself naturally craving healthier foods as your taste buds adapt. Days 22 to 30, increased energy and radiant skin. You've made it. Enjoy the benefits of your hard work, including glowing skin, sustained energy levels, and a newfound appreciation for natural sweetness. Sweet victory life after the sugar challenge. Congratulations, you've conquered the 30-day sugar detox. Now what? The key is to view this not as an endpoint, but as a springboard to a healthier, happier you. You've proven to yourself that you have the willpower to break free from sugar's grip. Now it's about making sustainable changes that will last a lifetime. Keep those healthy habits going strong. Embrace whole, unprocessed foods, stay hydrated, and listen to your body's cues. Remember, It's okay to indulge in a sweet treat occasionally, but moderation is key. You've got this. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Food Game. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any exclusive food content. Thanks for watching.